is morning time in Inwood. Check this out. It was raining last night. No water on the concrete. No water on the concrete. No water sitting out here. The only water sitting is puddles in the asphalt, the low spot beside the drain. And it looks like we got a low spot right here. So yeah, this hump right there is like the swale, I guess we'll call it. There's another low spot over there. That's cool. That was a wise investment. Very, very wise investment. But yeah, looks like we've got our drainage semi under control here. Handy. It never floated, so that's good. Got undercoatings be here any minute, so just having a quick look. Lonk and Sant. Yesterday's was a big yard maneuvering day. Still got a bunch of stuff to sort of do, but we got a lot accomplished. All this cleaned up. Burnt some crap. Got a couple more things to move over here, but yeah, this is like Parts Alley, Squizzettville, my Van Horde, different things. Another couple of straggler squizzets over here, but too much. You're saying he wanted this roof. Well, it's a door that turned into a roof that he's probably gonna, oh my good one, son of a bitch. He's probably gonna, I don't know, do something with. We'll try to crack it in half and fold it in half and carry it over there. She's kind of hurting. Looks like she's got some of the styrophomitic axions and the different type of vermin running around in there. But this is a good spot for a couple things, probably. Straighten up some of this and get a couple things going. Had the more piss gimme going relentless yesterday. Friggin' right. So this is just all the junk, any junk parts, crap over there, vehicles over here, wide open area in the center for different activities. Mucho more better. Got a couple cars over here I gotta kind of deal with, but yeah, she coming along. I'm really happy to see that there wasn't a whole lot of water out here this morning. Let me tell you. A little story about that, you know what I mean? But all this slab here goes to this corner drain, and that slab there, you know, the concrete with the hoist on it goes to that corner drain. So yeah, it really is just a prick job though. And of course I had to get the clown operation to come do me asphalt. Son of a bitch. Oh no. What happened? It's not even the right color. Son of a bitch. Oh no. 3 tubes? That's 3 tubes?
This is the third one.
Oh no.
Yes, how are you?
Not too bad. How are you doing?
Good. Are you interested in selling? I need a fender and a door for my white van here. My foot got caught underneath the brake pedal and I'm falling out. I left it when I'm falling out, so I reached for the steering wheel. I grabbed the shifter, put it in gear, fell out on the ground and watched my van roll into the river.
Come on.
I'm fucking serious.
And you didn't get it on a movie?
I wish. It's fucking brand new. They're not fucking a mark in it till I.
Lord.
You know, the van is like. Oh, well. It could have been worse because if it didn't hit there, the van would have been right in the river, and I would have been floating down.
Right in the fucking river. You're in the van down by the river.
Living in a van down by the river. Yeah.
So that's where she caught and stopped her from going right in the drink?
Yeah. It was up, just, you know, the water was up to here. it could have been a lot worse. And I just let my dog out, and if the dog would have been in there, and I would have been fucking drowning.
Yeah.
I would have been trying to save my dog.
For sure. Right on, no worries.
Where's your cat's paw?
In your cat's paw? Oh, it might be in here. Should I go get some like right now?
Supposed to get shitty after today, so I'm all the way back there just to do that.
You're not? Oh, I apologize. What was I looking for again? Cat's paw?
Left some nails.
Oh! Oh! Holy f***. That thing?
Baby?
Oh, fuck. Oh, that one's dicked anyway. I figured that one was dicked. I had to bash it. Crunch the shit out of the end of it. It's dick. Oh, not too bad. I already forgot you were coming.
Really?
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
I was just gonna take off and go buy some caulk.
Go ahead, I'll wait here for you.
No, I'm just fucking. Well, yeah, I mean, I do gotta go, but we can deal with this.
Hey,
How's that gonna work though? You got these ringolos on there.
that's gonna tie it down. Don't worry if you scratch it.
So you're just putting it on upright?
Well, just put it in on an angle.
Oh, because they're
Okay.
Kampawampy. Right on.
That's the way I like things.
Splendid. Look at that. That's awesome. Oh, it's good. That's great.
That's good, buddy.
Barely wrecked it.
Getting painted anyways. This ain't the old Eagle.
No. No, you're good. Couple bungees against the fender. Just got a couple bungees just hooked under there.
I think these are rotten.
Ouch, dick.
Are you gonna go get more caulking or?
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as these dicks are gone, I'll go get some. My road trip?
If you gotta sit here and look stupid.
What happened here? What happened?
Well, I only went to there because I figured that's as far as the tube would take you. I got a little bit in the truck. Might do this one section right here.
Well, it's probably a different color though.
What's that?
Probably a different color.
No.
Then you
It's
look at it and
inwood.
be like, holy f, who
It's
did
inwood.
this?
Who cares?
Who cares? You
Yeah,
know how much all
it's
this
inwood.
shit cost me?
Yeah.
Fuck's
Well,
sake.
that was free. And
Oh,
then
free!
that-
Yeah. Fuck. That'd be nice.
So, well, that last tube did them two sections. So one more tube should do these two sections.
Oh, what's all that? This is almost done. Perfect amount. Brr. Like cold. Like cold. It's cold outside.
Oh,
Yeah.
you got it.
I threw it away. So how long does that should take to dry?
It says 1 to 2 hours, and your can said 3 to 5 days to fully cure. But 1 to 2 hours, you should be able to, you know, if you happen to walk on it, it should be dry. But probably by the time it gets down, like the concrete, the bottom's still soft and the top's hard.
Yeah.
It was supposed to rain anyway, so, but not till late tomorrow night.
Can hardly recognize Inwood from when you bought it.
Did what?
So you can hardly recognize Inwood from when you bought it.
Recognize what?
Inwood.
Inwood?
Yeah.